I got something special for you today. You definitely don't want to miss it. Who don't love bacon? I love bacon. Probably gonna get in trouble for eating this person's bacon, but anyway, I'll buy them another pack. Man, this stuff's good. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Mac with Pest Service, and today I'm gonna show you how to get rid of one of the most common pest problems you're ever gonna have. And the great news is, I'm gonna show you how to do it for $15.95. I'm gonna show you what product to buy. I'm gonna put a link in the description, and I'm gonna show you how to do it in the kitchen, how to do it in the bathroom, and also how to do it on the outside. Everybody knows that when you have pests in and around your home, it can be absolutely aggravating, frustrating, and I can tell you, it can ruin any party, it can ruin any night, and at the end of the day, when mama ain't happy, ain't nobody happy. Number one call we have in our office every single week. It's not roaches, it's not termites. Guess what it is? You guessed it, it's ants. Ants are tiny little creatures that all they need is a width of a sheet of paper to get into your home. And when they get into your home, they want to make your home their home. But there's three things that you need to ask yourself. Why are they there? Number two, how do they get in? And number three, what do I need to do to get rid of them? One reason why ants are in your house is because food. Absolutely. And so you're gonna have to look around your house. You're gonna have to see, is there any food that I need to pick up? Do I need to clean up? Because they love spilt cereal. They love syrup that's on the counter. They love any sugary carbohydrate sweets and things of that nature. Also fats and proteins. So if you like to cook bacon like this, so if you're leaving bacon out, who don't love bacon? I love bacon. Probably gonna get in trouble for eating this person's bacon, but anyway, I'll buy them another pack. Man, this stuff's good. Well, guess what? If you like bacon, guess who else likes bacon? You guessed it, ants like bacon. So don't leave your bacon out on the counter. One, because your pest guy might eat it. And two, it's gonna attract ants into your home. Another one, look at that. Man, doesn't that look good? If I ate this right now, I'll probably get shot. And I need somebody to preach my funeral. So I'm gonna leave this one alone. Well, I'm gonna leave this one to the ants. So we got sweets like this. Here's some more sweets. More cookies, more sweets. Ants love that kind of stuff. They're attracted to these kind of things. Butter, anywhere where you cook, you have an air fryer, your stove, your refrigerator. There's always going to be crumbles. There's always going to be little pieces of food particles that are going to be around. They love these things. They're attracted to these things. They love them. If you like to eat them, they're going to like to eat them also. Coffee pots are big hot spot areas, especially if you have a Keurig machine. Sometimes these little areas need to be cleaned out. They're attracted to this. Food sources are going to be your number one attractant to these ants. And so you got to make sure that you put all these things in Tupperware containers, you clean everything up, anything that's spilt, like, matter of fact, you wouldn't believe that some of the houses that I go into, there will be spilt Coke on the floor, Gatorade bottles just sitting next to the bed. Well, guess what? Ants are attracted to those things. And so whenever you leave these things out, they're gonna be drawn to them, and it's going to create an issue. And I'm going to tell you something, but when ants get into your home, it's downright frustrating, especially when you're trying to sleep, you're trying to have a party, you're trying to have a get together, you're trying to have a family night, whatever. They're crawling all over the kitchen, they're crawling all over your bed, they're crawling all over you, they're getting on the baby, and they're just a nuisance. And so if you do not clean up these areas and make it a priority to put up food, you're always gonna have a problem. Take out your trash. Don't leave the trash in there for days and weeks and let it build up. They love that kind of stuff. The good thing is about picking up your food and cleaning up your house is that it's not gonna cost you a dime. So let's get these things picked up, let's get them cleaned up, and you're gonna be well on your way of making sure that these ants are gone and they never return. Okay, number 2 reason why ants are in your house is because of water sources. They love leaky faucets, they love moisture sources, they need water, they need food, they need shelter. Anywhere that's holding water, in any area that you have water on the floor, shower areas that contain water, any of these areas that are holding water or keeping moisture there, it's always going to attract ants. I'm gonna give you one more reason of how ants are getting in your house, then I'm gonna show you how to get rid of them for $15.95. Any crack leading into your house, a lot of times we don't think about these areas is because we're busy going in and out and doing daily life, taking kids to school, cutting the grass, going to work, making money. We don't think about any of these things. But any crack leading into your house, ants can get into. Around windows, they love to crawl around these windows and find a little crack in. These weep holes, any holes in the brick, any holes in your siding, any gaps in your siding, any gaps in your soffit. They can crawl up to the side, get into that crack. And once they get in your house. These cracks in the garage. This is where the sprinkler hits up against this house. You can see the water line. Once they get inside that weep hole, they have access to your whole house. Air conditioner drip lines. Air conditioner drip lines are areas of moisture and it can attract ants into your home. Well pumps, there's a bathroom, pool pumps, leaky pool pumps. I wanted to show you why they get into your house, how they get in their house, and you must eliminate these issues because if you don't, you're still gonna have problems with ants. And if you've taken care of all those other things, now you're ready to put out the secret ingredient to get rid of ants. That way your home can be ant-free. Are you ready? I'm gonna show you what product to buy. I'm gonna put a link in the description, and I'm gonna show you how to do it in the kitchen, how to do it in the bathroom, and also how to do it on the outside. And you, my friend, are gonna have no more ants and you're gonna be happy. Your wife's gonna be happy. Your dog's gonna be happy. Everybody's gonna be happy, happy, happy. Here's the product that I like to use. It's a very, very effective product. We use this in our company every single day. It's amazing. It's gotten rid of multitude of ant infestations inside homes. And it's this product right here, Max Force Fleet. This product right here can control up to a wide range of different ant species. This product can take care of carpenter ants, pharaoh ants, Argentine ants, odorous house ants, thief ants, big-headed ants, cornfield ants, field ants, and much, much more. One reason why I love this product is because it has an active ingredient called fipronil. Fipronil is an amazing product. It controls termites, it controls ants, it controls roaches. But here's the thing, what I love about fipronil is that fipronil, it works fast, but also it has a little bit of slow acting reaction to it. And what happens is that the ants are fully drawn to this bait matrix because of how they've formulated the bait to be highly attractive. It's love. It's in this bait. And so they're attracted to this bait. And when they take it, the ants, they feed on it. And then when they go back to the colony, they feed the other ants through a process called trophallaxis. It not only kills the ants that are coming into your house, but it kills the rest of the colony as well. And so this product is amazing. We use it every single day. You're gonna wanna buy this product if you're having problems with ants. You're gonna also wanna get this product if you don't have ants, because I'm gonna show you how to use it on the outside to prevent ants from coming into your home. So now, let me show you how to use it on the inside. I got a special little trick I wanna show you. Not a lot of pest control guys know this. A lot of homeowners definitely don't know this, but I'm gonna tell you how to apply this ant bait quick, easy, and it's gonna be really clean and it's gonna be really safe. Let's go. I like to use this right here. Y'all know what this is? It's just an ordinary straw. That's all it is. It's just an ordinary straw. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna make individual ant bait stations with this, because I don't know about you, but my wife, she doesn't want me putting ant bait on the counter, around the Keurig machine, around any of our food. And matter of fact, I don't want to do that either. I want to make individual bait placements that I can put out, and then I can easily remove once my ant problem is taken care of. And there's very easy cleanup. And so all you do is you take your straw and you cut it into small little pieces like this. That's all you need. Cut you about 5 or 6 or 10, however many you're having. If you're having a big ant problem, the more bait stations, the better. So let's go ahead and make some. You're gonna get your bait, you're gonna open it up. It's gonna look just like this. It's gonna have a little cap on it. Unscrew that. It comes with a little plunger. Put this in here like this. And also the great thing about it, it comes with 2 different tips. You have this steel tip and this plastic tip. The plastic tip can bend a little bit. I like using this sometimes, especially if I'm putting it up underneath cabinets or anything like that. But most of the time I like using the steel tip. And you just screw this on just like this. Now, we're gonna make our bait stations. This one tube costs $15.95. That's it. You can eliminate your entire ant problem for $15.95. You're welcome. All right, so here we go. We got our bait station. Just put a little bit of bait in here. You do not have to fill this thing up all the way, because it don't take much to kill ants. Everyone thinks that you have to put a lot of bait. You don't. So just put a little bit of bait in it. See? Just a little bit of bait. I'm gonna make 4 real quick, and they're really, really easy to put out. I got 4 bait stations. A lot of people say, okay, now where do we put them out? It's so easy. It's so easy that it's gonna blow your mind. Are you ready? Wherever you're seeing the ants, that's it. So wherever you're seeing the ants in your kitchen, that's where you wanna put one of these things. So if we're seeing ants crawl or trail along this area right here, put a bait station right there. Just put it right there. If you're seeing ants over by your air fryer, if they're wherever the ants are trailing at, that's where you need a bait station. It's not rocket science, it's not complicated, it's extremely easy. So wherever you're finding these things, if they're crawling out of something like this and they're crawling down, just put that bait station over there. Over by the coffee pot. I know it's mind-blowingly easy to take care of these things. You can do it for $15.95. The great thing is about it is now once the ant problem is taken care of, you just pick up the bait station. So if you're seeing these in your bedroom, put them wherever you're seeing in your bedroom. If you're seeing them in your windowsill, put them in your windowsill. If you're seeing them in your bathroom, put them anywhere in your bathroom. And I promise you, ants will find it because they love this stuff. They love this stuff. And you know what? So here's number one thing that I do not want you to do. Please listen to what I'm about to say. Let the bait do its work. Put the bait out, let the bait do its work, and do not spray Raid on it. Do not spray some over-the-counter ant product on these ants, because here's what's gonna happen. You're gonna make the problem worse. So if you want this thing to work for $15.95, listen to what Mac is telling you right now. Let the bait do the work, all right? Do not spray anything on these ants because you're gonna make the problem worse, because what happens is that ant colony is going to split up. One's gonna go one way, the other one's gonna go another way, and now the problem is not just in one end of the house, it's all over the house. And when we're talking about mama not being happy, mama ain't happy now, you're gonna have to find you another place to live, brother. So let's listen to what I'm telling you, because I'm gonna make your life easy, and you're gonna thank me in the long run. And matter of fact, I wanna thank you for watching this video. I wanna thank you for subscribing to this channel. And if you wanna watch a video to discovering the secrets to a termite inspection process, it's right here. Go check that out right now. Okay, now that we got all that out of the way, you know what to do, you know where to put them. Now I'm gonna show you how to get rid of them on the outside, because a lot of people, they only wait for ants to get on the inside before they take care of them. But here's the deal. How about we take care of these ants before they get on the inside? How about we stop them on the outside? And you know what? The great thing is, yes, you can use this product. And I'm gonna show you how to do it on the outside. Okay, the same bait stations that you use on the inside, you can use on the outside too, all right? So you can put them out here on the windowsill. If they're crawling along the crack here at the bottom of the door, if they're coming in down here, just place a bait station down here. And let's get them before they get into the house. I got a couple other secrets for you too, let's go. Here's ants right here. They're already eating it. Look at that. Right here in this weep hole, if you take this bait, you can put bait inside these weep holes or up underneath any siding on your home or any cracks around your home. It's gonna be protected from the weather, and any ants that you have are gonna go to it. They're gonna get it before they get into your house. Okay guys, I just gave you a step-by-step process of how to eliminate ants in and around your house for $15.95. My goal here is to always add value to you guys. So if you got any questions, any comments, put them down in the chat below. I appreciate everything. I love you guys. Thank you for subscribing to this channel. Thank you for watching this video, and God bless.